You have to tell me. Now what given? Given. Tell me. A girl of mass, how much ra?
50 kg.
Girl of mass. Here also same like before case, correct ra? So mass, girl of mass, M1 is equals to how much it is? 50 kg. Let me consider. Jumps out of a rowing boat. Rowing boat means like, do you understand ra? She is coming out from the
Boat in movement.
She is jumping out from the boat to the what we can say, sea beach or somewhere like a car. We can say, what is that? River bed or something. Okay, so that is what. So girl of mass 50 kg jumps out from a rowing boat. Means in the sense of this is the boat diagram if you have to draw, and this is the what we can say bed, a sea bed or a river bed or something. So now one girl is jumps, correct or not? One leg will go forward means another leg will go backward, correct or not? That is what we have studied. Newton's, correct or not? Newton's law of motion. Have you remembered?
Yes, sir.
Is try to jump out from it.
Yes,
then
sir.
you can see this boat will go backward direction. So that push only will make you to move forward. So that is what. So here, a girl of mass 50 kg jumps out of a rowing boat of mass how much ra? Mass M2.
300 kg.
300
kg.
And this is boat. This is girl and this is boat. You can take it. So now boat mass, let me consider M2 is equals to 300 kilogram. Now you tell me.
Horizontal velocity.
With a horizontal velocity of how much ra? Girl. Horizontal velocity
meter
of
per second.
3 meter per second. Now they are asking what?
3 meter per second.
What velocity does the boat begin to move backward direction? Means they are asking V2 is equals to how much? Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now what is the
Yes,
formula?
sir.
Momentum, Newton's law of motion, law of conservation of momentum. What is the formula? You have to speak.
M1 U1 plus M2
Conservation of momentum. Momentum of the girl is equals to momentum of the boat. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So according to the law of
Yes,
conservation of momentum, according to the law of conservation of momentum. So what is that? Can you able to say? What will become? M1 into V1, which is equals to what? M2 into
V2.
M2 into.
P2.
V2.
Now we want what? V2. Correct or not? So here who is extra? M2. So M2 is
M2.
come to this side. What will become?
M2.
M2 is come to this side. What will
Division.
become?
Division.
Division. So V2 is equals to
Division.
M1 into V1
Divided by M2.
M2. So please all of you substitute what is the M1 value? Please speak ra. M1 is equals to 50 kilogram.
50.
Velocity is equals to V1 equals to 3 meter per second
Meter per
divided
second.
by M2 is equals to 300
300 kg.
kilogram. Now you see
300.
you will get cancelled 51 za and how much ra? 56 za. Correct or not?
0.5.
V2 is equals to 3 by 6. Monish 3 by 6 means how much amma?
0.5.
2 or 1 by 2?
1 by 2, 0.5.
1 by 2, sir.
Monish will say wait. Monish tell me amma.
Sir,
3 by 6 is how
sir,
much?
1 by 2, sir. 3 1s are 3 2s are, sir.
So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much? 1 by 2 means 2. Correct? 1 by 2 means how much?
meter per second, sir.
0.5.
Monish.
0.5 meter per second.
Sir,
Monish will say. How much Monish?
0.5, sir.
0.2. 1 by 2 means
Sir,
0.5.
0.5. Sir, 0.5, sir.
0.5 meter per second. That is. So this is what? The backward velocity of boat. Please solve it all of you. So the velocity of boat is equals to how much ra? How much it is?
0.5.
0.5
meter per second. That's all. Solve it all of you. Daron, you understand Daron?
Sir.
Laksha?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, solve fastly. If it is completed, you tell me. If it is completed, then go to
Yes,
this.
sir. Completed, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Prilaksha. Very good. Next sum solve. Last sum for the today's class. Solve it. Tell me. A truck of mass 500 kilogram is moving at 4 meter per second, collides with another truck of mass 1500 kg moving in the same direction at 2 meter per second. What is their common velocity? Common velocity just after the collision if they move off together. Together. Again, same like this question. Move off together. Correct? Boy. Boy and trolley. Have you remembered boy and trolley?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is
Yes,
what.
sir.
Trolley. That is what the thing you have to remember. Okay, boy and trolley question. So now, speaker Darun and Monish will say the answer. Monish, communicate same like question before. So now, initially, 2 trucks are there. So truck 1. So what is the truck 1 momentum? Please tell me. Truck
Sir,
1.
M1 equal to
Mass M1 is equals
500
to
kg.
500 kilogram. Velocity U1. Initial velocity U1 is
M1 equals to 4 meter per
4
second.
meter per second. Now another truck I am taking. So which is equals to what? M2 is equals to 1500 kilogram and velocity V2 equals to what? U2.
2 meter per second.
2 meter per second. Now after collision, both are stuck together and they are going together. Correct or not? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yeah, like this.
Sir.
So you just imagine because
Sir.
they are met an accident and both they are going together like this. So now both are added. Both are added means what? So mass M1 plus M2 equals to what? Is equals to M. Understanding? Same way. Velocity V1 plus V2 equals to what? V. This is what?
V.
Correct or not?
V.
Because moving together. What is this? Moving together. So if it is far away,
Together.
again M1 V1, M2 V2. If it is again separated, correct or not? Like our derivation. But here they are moving together. So together means what will come? What will come together means Laksha. Together means addition. So now what they are asking? After, if the what is the common velocity? Common velocity just after the collision. If they move off together, that is why I am making V1 plus V2 equals to V, M1 plus M2 equals to M. Do you understand, Darun? Please yes, say yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula? Tell me. According to the law of conservation of momentum. According to the law of conservation of momentum. Conservation of momentum. Please solungappa. M1 plus M2 equals how much? M1 plus M2 equals how much? 500 plus 1500
Two.
equals to 2000.
2000 kg.
That is.
Yes,
Now formula. M1 U1 plus M2 U2, which is equals to what?
M2 U2.
M into V.
V.
Formula is for together.
V.
After collision together. If together moves, this is the formula. Together moves. If together moves, this is the formula. Now we want V. Then who is extra here? Mass. So M will come.
Mass.
This what will become? Division. So
Division.
M1 U1 plus M2 U2 divided
Divided by M.
M. Now values, tell me values solunga pa fastly. Values. M1 is equals to 500 into
500.
U1 equals to how much?
4 meter per second.
Per second. So it is 4 plus M2 is equals to 1500 into
1500, sir.
2 divided by M is equals to how much ra? 2000. Correct or not? Solunga.
Yes, sir.
15, 5 4 is how much ra? 500 into 4. 2000.
2000.
1500 and 2s are 3000 divided by 2000. Sir, 2000 is I will get cancelled. It is wrong. Yes or no? Monish, don't get cancelled. Sir, 2000
Yes,
is
sir.
there. Sir, answer is 3000. Wrong. Because Vaira, it is what?
Addition.
Addition. Addition you cannot
First.
understand, Monish?
Okay, sir.
Multiplication only you can. So 2000 plus 3000, how much?
3000.
Sir,
5,000.
2.5 meter per second, sir.
3000 divided by 2000. So 3 zeros will get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 half. Means 5 by 2 means how much? It is
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
meter per second. That is what the common velocity. So common velocity is equals to how much, Ra? After collision. After collision, the common velocity is equals to thus the common velocity after collision is 2.5 meter per second. Is there any
Per
doubt?
second.
Please ask me. Laksha, here Monish, so many 90% children they will get cancelled 2000 and 2000. But it is possible only in when it is a multiplication. But here what is that? Addition. Because
Addition, sir.
so many will get cancelled 2000 and 2000. They will write V is equals to 3000 meter per second. Is it possible, Pradosh? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, but we won't check in exam. We will think that yes, I have done correctly. But finally you will get 0 mark. Because here so many will get cancelled. I know that. You can give the same sums to your classmates. Definitely so many will do the same approach. Correct or not, Elamokil?
Yes, sir.
I know that. Very well, very less only they can notice it. Only in multiplication we can get cancelled. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Sir.
Okay? That is what. Now, completed means tell me. If it is completed, then this
Yes, sir.
question is solved.
Completed, sir.
This question already I have given yesterday. Already I have given in yesterday. I know that. Only Pradosh,
Yes, sir.
Nikhil and Monish, they have sent me. Remaining, they have not yet answered me. I know that. Solve this question. Completed, Ra? Yeah, 2 meter per second. Very good, Elamokil. You solve this question. So this is again I'm giving you today also. Everybody, Monish, I know that yesterday how you have solved. So today you have to solve your own homework sum. Do you understanding? This is homework sum. Darun and Tamil Selvan, Laksha, you also need to send me. Are you clear?
Sir.
Darun?
Sir.
Okay. Solve it and send me. That's all. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye.